This is why I prepared a simple yet complete guide on how to create a successful Amazon marketing strategy. So, if you want to get more Amazon customer and grow your Amazon business, you will need this guide. Let's dive right in. 5 steps to earn effective Amazon marketing strategy. Amazon SEO, Amazon PPC, Amazon advertising, email marketing, and social media. Product listing, optimization, customer experience. Chapter 1, Amazon SEO. Even if shoppers do not make their final purchases with Amazon, buyer will consult with the retail guide to discover new products and to check price, so they have a comparison when shopping in other e-commerce site. Many will start their products researches on Amazon, which means they are not going directly to Google as they have in the past. This makes it extremely important to create a solid Amazon marketing strategy to ensure your products are being pulled up at the top of the search result and keep consumer coming to your product page. Like Google, Amazon has its own algorithm for calculating SEO on their site called A9. Its job is to rank the product listing by relevance keyword and optimize content. Sessional research and primary keywords. A lot of people overlook this step, however, it should be one of the most important aspects. High quality photos are for products. Product description and bullet point. Chapter 2, Amazon PPC, Amazon advertising. Amazon advertising, formerly now as Amazon marketing service, allows seller to advertise straight from the platform. It is similar to Google Ads in the sense that the advertiser does not pay unless the ad is clicked. Also similar to Google, AMS lets buyer choose how they want their ads display. You have the option of product display ads, sponsored product ads, and headline search ads. Product display ad. Sponsor product ads like this. Headline search ads like this. Chapter 3, Email marketing and social media. One of the quickest ways to reach your potential buyers is through their email inbox on their social media platforms. Try to be automatic to your company and brand. When you have the vision of your brand in mind, that can help you choose different Amazon marketing strategies that works best for you. Email marketing. A great email marketing strategy can help build your reputation with your customer and help them feel a sense of belonging, belonging to your organization. After someone purchase product, you should be calculate their information and either sending them a follow up email or text message thanking them for their purchases. Social media. If you won't already have a brand page on the major social media platform Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, then you will want to start creating them right way. Different platforms have different demographics that you can target. The platform buyers you can reach on Instagram may not be same people you should reach on Pinterest. Chapter 4, Product listing optimization. As mentioned earlier, Amazon is not only an e-commerce website anymore but also a search engine where many consumers begin their shopping journey. This is why it's extremely important to understand how optimization of your product works and why it is benefit to your business. Why is product optimization important? Simple, the higher you rank, the more you sell. Product listing optimization consists of two parts: keyword to help rank of search terms that buyer search for, image, title, and description to generate a conversation rate. Other note: if you are struggling to come up with your product titles, try this formula. This formula is given in the description. Do's don'ts. Chapter 5: Customer experience. You may have the best marketing channels online and the most creative strategy to try and increase leads, but at the end of the day, what matters most is your customer experience. People will remember how you made them feel, and a negative experience can leave a lasting impact for years to follow. Consider incorporating the following tips to make sure your customer service games is top notch. Response to negative reviews. Have a good quality products. Offering customer support. Wrapping this up. Special offers. If you are looking for more in-depth Amazon marketing plans, here is a new section overtaking Amazon marketing tactics to help you launch new products in our brand new Amazon business course. Join us live for the free presentation on launching on Amazon business in 90 days.